Things to do in Putrajaya, Malaysia. While the capital city of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, the federal administrative center is Putrajaya. This is the third of Malaysia's federal territories, aside from Kuala Lumpur and Labuan. While Putrajaya is not well known as a tourist destination, it has plenty to offer. Read on and discover the magnificent buildings, monuments, attractions and things to do in Putrajaya. 1. Putra Mosque. Putra Mosque is the main mosque of the federal territory of Putrajaya. Opened to the public in 1999, Putra Mosque is located in a strategic area in Putrajaya, near the current Prime Minister's office, the Putra Square and Putrajaya Lake. Two. Putrajaya Lake. Enjoy the magnificent scenery of the lake on foot, rent a bicycle, or take a boat ride around the lake. It is a popular jogging and picnic spot for locals staying nearby, most of whom are civil servants working in Putrajaya. From time to time, you might even have a chance to watch some water sports activities like water surfing, jet skiing, boat races and many others. 3. Seri Wawasan Bridge. The Seri Wawasan Bridge was opened to the public in 2003. From afar, you'll notice that the bridge resembles a gigantic sailing ship. It was constructed by Perbadanan Putrajaya and is one of the many modern bridges throughout Putrajaya. Four. Seri Perdana. Seri Perdana was officially opened in 1999. Visitors can have a peek at the official residence by booking a tour in advance. The architecture of the complex is quite similar to that of Perdana Putra. There are 3 different halls in the complex, namely the Banquet Hall, VIP Hall, and Meeting Hall. Of course, you need to visit other parts of the house too. 5. Alamanda Putrajaya. Ask any local around where the top shopping haven in Putrajaya is and they'll say Alamanda Putrajaya. This one-stop shopping center has 160 retail stores for you to choose from. There is something for everyone, from the latest fashion pieces to high-tech electronic gadgets and electrical goods.